You either know or you guess. The people that guess can't improve because they don't have the data to improve. It will give you the visibility you need to guarantee the outcome you want for your customer experience.
Data is king. You need to have the data to make educated decisions.
It's really been a game changer for us in accounting.
We have the richest provider data in the industry. 4.7 billion data points generated annually, spanning tens of thousands of providers.
Remember Moneyball? How data and statistics help baseball scouts determine the potential and performance of big league players? Now all the teams are doing it. And we're doing it for commercial contractors. You want to know the best, the least expensive, the fastest, the highest quality? We've got 130 million work orders and billions of data points to help you figure that out.
When we heard about the Scout program, we wanted to trial run and actually see improvements within our refrigeration program. And the invoices went from almost $700 to $400 each trip visit.
ServiceChannel is our system of record for repair and maintenance data. We've been able to enrich that data by linking asset and refrigerant information, which is now also available to the tech in the field.
We've used the analytics that we've gotten from ServiceChannel to help the equipment tell a life story, if you will. So when we take that information to make decisions proactively to either repair or replace the equipment, but then we also use that information to use in our budgeting process.
I think the two greatest impacts that we've had so far is the ability to be proactive versus reactive to replacing the assets, and then making sure that we're not paying for repairs on warranty items that should be covered by the manufacturer. Prior to ServiceChannel, we would just have to remember when the door was installed, are we still under warranty? And we did some research a couple years ago and found out that there was about $250,000 worth of work orders that we paid for that should have been covered under warranty. This year, I think we're down to about $7,000 in the last 12 months that we've paid for, but it's a lot better than the $250,000 that we had before.
We now know exactly where our financial status is with our repair and maintenance costs. We understand what's out there, what kind of liabilities we have, and our P&L is far more accurate and really timely.
So data is obviously very important to us, and so we take a lot of pride in what we've been able to do from a data standpoint and be able to use that information to make better decisions.
We were definitely happy with 45% savings, so we'll take that. We're excited to see what else we can get.
20% savings, 20% better first time completion, fewer recalls, and better quality. The numbers don't lie.